welcome to 1350 Pomona Street. This is in the Dunthorpe area. It's between Lake Oswego and John's Landing, which is just right outside of South Waterfront. It is listed at $1,648,000 and by Alexander Koval with Koval Group. And this is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, really nice inside. So I'm really excited to go check it out. Through here, you have nothing but really expensive homes. In fact, a lot of the trailblazers live up here. This house is close to Lewis and Clark College and also Elk Rock Garden. If you haven't been there, it's a really nice place to visit. So for this home, let's go inside and check out, see what it looks like.
Prepare to be mesmerized. This stunning open concept design flows effortlessly from kitchen into spacious living room, perfect for entertaining and everyday comforts. With its bright, airy layout, the heart of this home offers both style and function. The chef's kitchen is a dream come true, featuring elegant granite countertops, built-in wine storage and display, a large island with seating and designer lighting throughout. On the first floor, a private home office offers a quiet space for productivity featuring plenty of natural light and privacy. As we head upstairs, take note of the beautifully crafted wood staircase designed to maintain the home's open and modern feel. Upstairs, the landing opens to a cozy seating area, ideal for reading or relaxing with family. Step into the master suite where high ceilings and large windows flood the room with natural light, creating a serene retreat. The luxurious primary bath features dual sinks, a freestanding soaking tub, and a separate oversized tile shower with shower heads on both sides, designed for ultimate comfort. A spacious walk-in closet provides ample storage and invites you to expand your wardrobe. Here we enter the second bedroom, offering ample space and versatility. Bedroom 3 shares a Jack and Jill bathroom with bedroom 4. This bathroom is beautifully designed with granite countertops, dual sinks, and under-cabinet lighting. Bedroom 4 is perfect for guests or family, featuring the same elegant touches that flow throughout the home. The laundry room offers plenty of storage with white cabinets, a convenient folding table, and space to keep everything organized. The covered patio is an entertainer's dream, complete with a long gas fireplace and red lava rock. This backyard is beautifully fenced and professionally landscaped, providing a private and safe space ideal for kids or pets to play. The highly sought-after Riverdale School District makes this home perfect for families looking for both luxury and convenience. Prepare to fall in love with everything this stunning new build has to offer.
So if you like what you saw today, please like and subscribe, and I'll try to show you one home a week. If there's any other areas that you'd like for me to highlight, place them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to highlight those for you. Thank you again for joining me today on our tour of the week.